There's gonna be times where you get the perfect haircut. Ooh wee. Them days where you get that perfect lineup, that perfect fade. Can't nobody tell you nothing. I'm telling you, you gonna get done, you gonna be like this. I'm telling you, you gonna be coming back and forth to the bathroom just doing this. Cause you did it, you cut your hair. So keep practicing, keep going, do not give up. You're gonna mess up. I don't know what's up with this camera, man. It do not be trying to stay focused. But anyways, what's good, YouTube? Y'all saw the title and the thumbnail, man. This is how to keep a fresh lineup 24/7. So you are gonna need some trimmers, first of all. I got 3 on the counter. I'm gonna show you the 2 that I mainly use. You really only need 1, but I got 3. So you got the Babulous Gold FX trimmers. These are really, really good trimmers. I love these trimmers, I'm not gonna lie. I have adjusted them. These are very, very sharp. So these are strictly just for the lineup. I don't use these for nothing else but lineups. Then I have the Andy's T outliners. I did cut them like this. A lot of people was doing that when I started cutting my hair, so I did mine like that. You can buy them like this, but you are gonna pay like $120, $130 if you buy them like that. I went the cheap route. I bought the regular ones and just cut them myself. You could do that, it's up to you. Or you can just use the regular ones. It's not gonna make a difference, I promise you. It doesn't make a difference. Then I have the wall trimmers as well. These I don't really use just because they don't really hit, but they do get the hair. So these are not sharp at all. So these are my favorite. And then these are like semi sharp, not too sharp, but they get the job done. So then also I got some blade oil for sure, hair clipper oil, because you got to make sure your clippers is clean and oiled up before you use them. And then you got the Tune 45 shave gel. Definitely want to use shave gel on your face whenever you use a razor. You do not, if you just now starting, I wouldn't say use a razor. I say just use the trimmers, but I've been cutting my hair for a little minute now, so I can use the razor, but I can't use it on nobody else. So all right, I just watched that last clip. I don't know why I was talking like I was on a time limit or something. I'm talking crazy as heck, talking super fast. But I also have a mirror as well that I'm about to be using. I ain't gonna lie, I don't be using that mirror for real. Let me be honest with y'all, I do not be using that mirror. But let's get straight into it, man. So first things first, get you a towel, a little bit of alcohol, and I'm finna show y'all what to do. Watch, just watch me, pay attention. Nah, play. So first things first, you know, you're gonna start by doing this. Just rubbing your hairline down, because this is gonna lay your hairline all the way down. Boom, boom, boom. Let me step back a little bit so y'all can, because I don't know how the camera be focusing, it be tripping sometimes. So, and I ain't got a perfect hairline. You know, some people have like the straightest and perfect hairline. I ain't got the perfect hairline, but it's decent, you know what I'm saying? So that's the first things first. You want to lay your hair down. Be watching these clips back and be laughing at myself. I'm talking some lay the hair down. So I do got these barber pencils and stuff like that. I know like the OGs and stuff, they be like, no, don't do no pencil stuff. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do enhancements. That ain't a real cut. I feel like if you like enhancements, you like enhancements. If you don't like enhancements, you don't. I don't feel like I need enhancements, but I do feel like sometimes enhancements do make the haircut enhanced. You know what I'm saying? Let's be honest. But it's up to you if you want to use enhancements or not. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and cannot do. It's your head. Trust me. Don't, like, come on, bro. What? I'm paying for my cut. I'm paying $35 for my haircut. Until they send you the $35 for your cut, cut your hair the way you want to cut your hair. True, but no, so first things first, we did that. I got my comb as well. I got my brush as well to brush the hair down more. And see, with locks, it's a little different just because of the simple fact that I have locks right here. I have little locks right here. I don't know if y'all know that. Because I started letting some more locks grow because I didn't want my hairline to be so big. So I do have little locks in the front that y'all really probably can't really tell or see, but I can see them. Boom, we're gonna start the lineup. Start in the middle and work to the left. Start in the middle and work to the right. And remember, it's not a rush. Sometimes this little corner be hard to get to, so what you gotta do is you gotta boom. So I know y'all probably like, bro, it don't look like you did anything. I really didn't. So next thing is first, I'm actually, like I said, I'm putting the pencil on there. But I'm gonna show y'all how to do the pencil and like make it go away too. I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I'll be forgetting to get it all the way off, but you know, you just boom. Put that pencil on there. Okay, boom. See, I'm not gonna leave that on there. Some people, they leave it on there. I'm not that type of person. So you're not even gonna be able to see it once I'm done. So what I do is I do that as a guide just to show like, okay, this is what I need to line up. This is what I need to line up. So I just kind of like brush it in a little bit. And I'm telling y'all, y'all do y'all line up and you won't even need a haircut, I promise you. So. All right, bow. Brush that line out. All right, so yeah, pretty much that's the main steps to get a pretty decent hairline. My hairline's still a little iffy right now, so I'm trying to think what else I'm gonna do. So I do got my razor ready and stuff like that. I am gonna line up the beard too, so that's gonna bring the whole cut together. Because like I said, you really don't be needing a haircut, you be just needing a lineup. That's why they be paying just for a lineup. And then in the last clip, I said $35 for a haircut. I know haircuts is like $135 now, so. So that was a lot. I don't want to use enhancements, but just for the video, I'm gonna use these enhancements just for the video. Just because some people do want to use enhancements, some people want to know how to use enhancements, so I'm gonna just use it for the video. So I got this right here, just a little card to put right here, and I have this right here, Topique hair building fibers. I have spray as well, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, it really just depends. I don't always use enhancements, but I'm gonna use it for this video just to make the lineup pop a little bit more. Just so y'all know, I don't want to just skip to the finished product and y'all like, dang, this stuff crazy. I use the enhancements too. So boom. The key is to not spray a whole bunch. Like, it's been times where I sprayed a whole bunch and it do look crazy, and I know people probably be seeing that, I don't know, but don't spray too much. Just be gentle with it. They're enhancements. They're not supposed to like, it's not a hairline builder. You're not supposed to be building your hairline. But trust me, y'all favorite people y'all be looking at on YouTube and on Instagram and your rappers that y'all be talking about, boy, they use enhancements every cut. Trust me. So enhancements just don't do nothing but make the haircut look a little darker. And then usually with the enhancements, what I usually do is I'll come back over it with this or this, just to get any little And then the key to getting the corners is you gotta like kind of tilt your clippers like this. You gotta use that whole clipper, or angle it down like this. Like I said though, y'all gonna mess up, man. For years I was messing my hair up. And that's really it. Like, it don't take much, man. And I did kind of spray a little too much enhancements on there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this brush and just kind of tap that away, because I don't want that to look like that. But other than that, that's pretty much the final product. Like, I ain't finna go too crazy. I am finna line this up next and show y'all that as well. But that's pretty much it. So it does look a little bit better than it did. Not the best, because I do need a retwist and an actual haircut. But a hairline is gonna make you look presentable. You know, if you just need something quick to do, like I said, that probably, like if you keep practicing, it'll take like 5-10 minutes at the most. Just a quick little touch up before you pop out, go out. So that's pretty much it, man. All right, now that we done pretty much got everything pretty much done and cleaned up, looking decent, now it's time to touch the lineup up with the razor. So this is usually how I do it. I'm gonna put this mic down and y'all just pay attention, man. So this is how don't go too crazy on it, just be careful. Pretty much. So we're not trying to make it perfect, but we just want to touch it up. Like I said, I really don't feel like I even needed to do this, but just for the simple fact of the video. Sorry, y'all, I'm trying to talk and focus at the same time. That's why I'm talking like a computer operator, slurring my words, talking slow. Cause boy, these razors ain't no joke. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, laughing while doing your lineup is crazy, but these razors really are sharp, y'all. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, I cannot use it on nobody else but myself, because I just be scared. But other than that, that's it. I'm not doing nothing else. I feel like this looks decent enough for me, and I'm gonna call it a day. But yeah, just keep practicing with it. You're gonna mess up, you're gonna do good. There's gonna be times where you get the perfect haircut. Ooh wee. Them days where you get that perfect lineup, that perfect fade, can't nobody tell you nothing. I'm telling you, you gonna get done, you gonna be like this. I'm telling you, you're gonna be coming back and forth to the bathroom just doing this. Cause you did it, you cut your hair. So keep practicing, keep going, do not give up. You're gonna mess up. And if you mess up, this is what you do, right? So if you mess up, right, and you're like, I'm going back to the barber, I'm not gonna cut my hair no more, I'm done, I messed up. This is what you do, you go back to the barber, you let them know like, hey, what's barbers' names? They usually be like Darnell, or if you know, you on the white side, John. You know what I'm saying? I messed up. Yeah, so if you see anything messed up with my fade, John, it's me. Darnell, if you see something messed up, I did it. You know what I'm saying? But he ain't gonna feel no type of way because you did it. You messed it up. You know what I'm saying? He ain't gonna think you cheated on him. You know, because because you the one that messed it up. So just let him know. Be honest with him. Like, I messed up my hair. I tried to cut it by myself because I want to learn how to come on hair. I promise you, I'm like, no, you straight. He gonna get you right. Trust me. But no, I say just keep practicing, because honestly, these prices for these barbers is going up, which is nothing wrong with that. It should, man. They offer a lot of services. They washing faces, washing hair. They doing all types of stuff nowadays. So the price for the barbers makes sense. But if you can learn how to cut your hair, why not save $155, $65, $75? Even if you just touching your lineup up. But next video, I'm gonna show you how to do an actual full self cut. So I'm gonna start wolfing out. I'm gonna be looking crazy for the next couple weeks, couple months. I'm gonna give y'all a full self cut, full transformation. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. We out, man. Stay safe, stay blessed. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell if you new, man. Hit that sub button, that like button. Definitely finna drop some more hygiene content, because I see y'all love that hygiene stuff for sure. So I'm gonna definitely drop some more of that for sure. Cologne content coming, you know that. Other than that, we out, man. Stay safe, stay blessed, man. Keep your head up. Don't let people tell you what you can and cannot do. You're gonna be all right. Trust me. I got you. You're gonna be good, bro. So this is pretty much the finished cut. Like I said, I need a haircut, so it's not gonna look the best, but it's definitely straight. You know what I'm saying? It looks better than what it did. Also, I wanted to let y'all know y'all can also put this. This will help hold your hair down. So when you're doing your lineup, this will help hold it down. Also, it'll help keep the enhancements on too. But like I said, I don't really be trying to put the enhancements on like that, so I'm not gonna use this, but I did buy it and I do have it. So that's the finished product right there. I mean, like I said, I need a haircut too, but if you just need a quick little lineup, that's the best way to do it. Just quick little lineup, boom, 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 you good.
James, what are you doing?